Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to show you guys some things I recently restocked in my shop or things that I added to my shop. So I made a whole bunch of sequin mixes. I will show you guys all the different kinds of sequin mixes I have, and then I just finished making another one that I need to pack up. So I'll show you guys that too. But there's a whole bunch of stuff I've been adding to my shop. Things are constantly changing. So I wanted to show you guys what's new. So one of the new things in my shop are these super cute charms. So I made the designs on these and I put them all together and they're these cute little charms. You get a set of 8 and look how cute they are. So this one says beautiful. This one says imagine, live your dream, inspire, believe in you, XOXO, aspire, and create magic. I think they're so cute. So these are all in like pinky colors. I love it. I used one on a project, but I already sent it off in Happy Mail, so I don't have it to show you guys, but oh my god, they're so stinking cute. Before I even get to the sequin mixes, I'll also show you guys that I've been making tassels because oh my god, they're so cute. So this is what I have in stock right now. Let me show you. And they're such cute tassels. So I only have one purple one left. I have to make more of these. But look how cute. Look at those beads. It's like a disco ball or like sequins ball and like a disco thing and like beads. And this is a purple one called Grape Orchid. Then I also have this set here. Look how pretty. I love these. And they're such cute tassels. Like they're so fluffy. They look so cute on planners. And this one's called Delicate Petal. So cute on planners. So cute on projects. This is the same, no, this is a different one. So you guys see here, this one is Royal Princess. This one has a gold bead and a different top. I mean, all of the beads are actually different. You guys see that? So this is Delicate Petal. This is Royal Princess. And just slightly different colors. So there's that. That's new to my shop. Then I also have this one. Also new. And this is called Strawberry Daiquiri. I don't have like a lot of these and I can make some of them again, but I don't have all the stuff for all of them, so I have to get more material too. But this is what I have right now, so definitely check out the tassels. They have been flying off the shelves, but I have those. I also have another set of rosettes in my shop, this time with some holographic paper. I also have a gold set and a rose gold, but how pretty is that holographic? Isn't it? I just have to put more of the rose gold and gold ones together, but those are also available in my shop and there's photos and everything there. But they're so cute. I love the holographic one though. Oh my goodness, I love it. I love it so much. So those are new to my set too. Then another new flower set I added is this one. And this is like a peachy corally set. So this one is called Peach of My Heart. I think it's so cute. Look at these flowers. Isn't that so cute? Then I also have the DIY flower kit. So you get 50 pieces of cutout flowers, an example of a rolled flower, and you get the flower rolling tool to help you roll them. Isn't that so fun? So you can make a whole bunch of flowers yourself if you wanted to as well. And I think that's just so fun. And it's so relaxing just rolling flowers. So there's that new in my shop as well. Now sequins. This is going to be a restock. This one sold out last time. It's called Fairy Tale Dreams. And I will pack this up and everything. So by the time you guys see this video, it's already going to be listed in my shop. And I'm going to have links down to everything, to my shop and stuff down below. So you guys could check that out. But isn't this so pretty? Oh my gosh, I love it. So there's that sequin mix. There's this new one called Ballet Slipper. So this one has like little stars. And like this is like a rose. I mean, I would say like a pinkish rose. Or I don't know, maybe champagne-y. I don't know. But I love these sequins in here. There's whites, there's pinks, there's pink hearts, there's peach colored stars. All of it just kind of goes together. So this one is called Ballet Slipper. So I have those in stock, and I made more this time instead of just like 2 of each one, because like last time they sold out so fast. There's this one called Believe in Magic. So you guys could see how this is like a slightly different, like a mint color. This one has like, I don't know, it's like pearly kind of looking, and this one also has hearts and gold in the sequin mix. I really love this one. Like, I was waiting for sequins on this one, and I really wanted to make one with gold, so I did, and I love it so much. Look how pretty those sequins are. So that one is called Believe in Magic, and put that one back. I have a whole bunch of those. I made a ton. Then I have the Frosty Blues. Oh wait, hold on. There's this one, Flutter Me By. There's only one left of this one. This one has little butterflies in it. You guys could see that. So there's little butterflies in that one called Flutter Me By. Then the Frosty Blues is another restock. So blue colors, perfect for your winter crafting, and silvers. I think this one is so fun also. I love them all actually. I mean, that's why I made them. I also have Hello Autumn. I think I only have one left of these. So this is a fall sequin mix. How pretty. Look at this like leafy color. Isn't that so pretty? So there's that one as well. Then there's Lemon Bubblegum, another restock. And this one has like yellows and pinks and like some bigger golds and smaller gold pieces. Aren't they so fun? I love this. It really reminds me of Lemon Bubblegum. Then there's One in a Melon, another restock. Just like brighter pinks. But then like some of these like sequins, like they don't have holes, but they're so fun for shaker mixes. We have the stars again. Isn't it so pretty? And you could also see all the photos on my Etsy shop. So those are all there. Then Peach Please is another restock. Look how gorgeous these are. This one was a really popular one last time also. Look at it. It's so fun. And I haven't really seen like peach mixes. So when I did make this, a lot of people were like, wow, I haven't seen a peach mix, but yours looks so, so pretty. So I have that. Then I also have Seafoam Azure. And this one looks like this. So it's like teals and minty colors. And like this is zebra and glitters in here. I love it. So that's Seafoam Azure. Then we have a Halloween mix. Oh wait, hold on. Before we even get to the Halloween mix, we have Violet Plum. There's only 2 left of these. But this is just like a mix of like, I guess, a magenta and like purples. So that's what those look like. And last but not least, we have the Halloween sequins. This is called You're My Boo. And it's called that because there's little ghosts in here. You guys could see the little ghost sequins. There you go. So those are in here, and you have little bats as well. That's a bat. You can see them. And there's polka dots in here and pinks. This goes so good with the Pinkaboo collection. I think it goes so well with it. So that's the You're My Boo sequin mix. So another new thing in my shop are wax seals. Some of these are already sold, and I don't have the right colors to relist them. So I mean, these aren't the ones that are sold. These are available in my shop, but the other ones I was talking about, some of them are sold. And I'll do a restock as soon as, you know, I can again. But for now, we have this one, which is called Pink Sangria. It's like a 2-tone kind of pink. We have this minty colored one, which is called Frosty Blues. We have this one, which is called Royal Thistle. So it has like purple, white, and gold. It's not so pretty. And then by the time you guys see this video, these will be added to the shop as well. I don't have a name for them yet, so I'll take photos and think of a name afterwards. But this is going to be a new set of wax seals, and these look so cute when you just stick them on an envelope, and they're going to have a backing on it as well, like a sticker backing, so that you could just peel off the backing and stick them on a project. So there's that one. There's going to be this one as well. And these are like shiny, if you could tell. So there's going to be that one. And then the other new set is going to be this one. This is like a pinkish, corally kind of color. And purpley, I guess? I don't know. It's just like a mix. So I gotta think of names for these, which is why they're not listed yet. But I will take photos and try to think of names, and it'll all be listed before this video goes up. So by the time this video is up, everything is in my shop. So definitely check out my shop and some goodies for your shaker mix projects and shakers that you're going to be making. Some rolled flower. So we have a peach set, there's purple, there's a green set, a pink set, a fall looking set as well. So there's many different flower options that you could use to just add to your projects, and I love adding these to projects. Like I literally add them to everything if you guys watch my videos. And then there's the charms and everything, so definitely check everything out. I will have all the links down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. Talk to you soon. Bye.